Okay, it's April the 4th, I believe. This is Coriel Street, and you can see the grease on the walls, grease on the right-hand side of the ladder and the left-hand side of the ladder. We just put 2 of the ADC bags in, and this is just to document the starting point. Okay, this is April the 26th, and this is the wet well performance. You can see the fat oils and greases being eaten away, especially on the edges, getting light brown. The spill is much wider than it's ever been. It's starting to really work. Okay, this is May the 9th. You can see the very light coloration around the rim. It's turning it white. That's what we're looking for. This is June the 19th. We've been treating this wet well for approximately 2 months, and you can see that all of the grease is liquefied, and the area around the edges all cleaned off. The bugs are eating this, so you can definitely see how this has all been solubilized. The bugs are actually eating the fats, oils, and greases, especially the cooking oil, which is very difficult for the bugs to consume, but they're doing their job. The edge of the entire wet well is now almost to the walls and totally clean. So we expect in the next month that this entire wallway, the walls will be clear, and all of that grease is liquefied now that we have the colony of fungi established. They're quite miraculous, amazing. We'll put this video on the website and send to whoever needs to be sent, but you can just see the magnificent job that the bugs have done. This is July the 12th, and this is Coriel Street. And this is after 3 months, 3.5 months of treatment. And as you can see, there's just a few small chunks of grease left. So the bugs have eaten all of this material and cleaned this up.